The final concept of this lesson will be al-mudaf ila al-ma'rifati ma'rifa. If there's a mudaf and it's mudaf ilayhi is ma'rifa, then the mudaf itself will be considered to be ma'rifa. What does that mean? Let's look at an example. هذا بيت المدرس. Let's stop right here. هذا بيت المدرس. This is the house of the teacher, or this is the teacher's house. We have the mubtada, okay, and we have the khabar. Okay, هذا is the mubtada, the khabar is bayt. But at the same time, there's a mudaf and a mudaf ilayhi. Mudaf and a mudaf ilayhi. Okay, so we're saying this is the teacher's house. Now we want to describe the teacher's house. We want to say the teacher's house is new. Okay, we want to say that the teacher's house is new. So if we want to say that the teacher's house is new, what are we going to use? How will we describe it? Okay, baytun, we want to describe this house. This bayt, we want to say that it's new. Would you say al-jadidu or jadidu? Would it be al-jadidu or jadidu? Now, according to the rules that we've learned, we said that the nat follows the manut. So the manut is bayt, and the nat, this doesn't have alif lam on it. One would assume that the nat is also going to have no alif lam. It will be stripped of the alif lam because this has no alif lam. So this looks as though it's nakira. We'll think that the nat has to be nakira also. But that's not the case. Why? Because in this example, you must look at the mudafun ilayhi. If the mudafun ilayhi is ma'rifa, if it has alif lam, this is considered to be ma'rifa also. This is considered to be ma'rifa. And if we have that understood very well, then if we have to describe bayt, the word itself should be ma'rifa because the nat follows the manut. So it should be al-jadid. Al-jadid. And now, would it take a dhamma or fatha or kasra? This has a dhamma. This will take a dhamma. هذا بيت المدرس الجديد. Okay? Now, let me give you another example. Let's say we had the sentence هذه بنت. Remember, bint is not the same as bayt. هذه بنت الطبيبة. I will say بنت الطبيب. بنت الطبيب. He said this is the daughter of the doctor. This is the doctor's daughter, right? And now we want to describe this girl. We want to describe her. We want to say that she's tall. This is the doctor's tall daughter. How would we describe her? Which word would we use? Tall. Would it be nakira or ma'rifa? Well, we just answered that. If we describe her, it has to take a alif lam because the mudafun ilayhi is ma'rifa. And we said, if there is a mudaf and it's mudafun ilayhi is ma'rifa, then the mudaf is considered to be ma'rifa. So it will be at-tawila, at-tawilatu, at-tawilatu. And because we're describing the girl, it's going to be at-tawilatu with a ta'ul marbuta. Okay? هذه بنت الطبيب الطويلة. That same sentence, however, if we decided now we wanted to describe the doctor, this is the doctor's daughter. We want to describe the doctor. There are many doctors, so we want to describe him as being tall, the tall doctor's daughter. What would we say? Would it take alif lam? Well, now this becomes the manut, so definitely must take alif lam. And would it be masculine or feminine? Well, look here, is at-tabibi masculine or feminine? It is masculine, so it should be, write it in black and red. At-tawili. Okay, so it's masculine, it's going to take alif lam, and it's going to take a kasra because the manu took a kasra. And we'll see more of this in the upcoming lessons. Insha'Allah.